skies, I walk alone. Footsteps echo on the wood and stone. Whispers of the past in the breeze, calling softly through the trees. Time slows down, the world feels still. Moonlight dances on the hill. In this moment I can feel something lost becoming real. On this moonlight bridge tonight, I'm holding on to fading light. Every shadow, every dream feels closer than it seems. Through the silence, through the glow, there's a place my heart will go, where the night and memories blend, and love will never end. Lanterns flicker in golden lines, painting stories lost in time. Every step